After giving one more warning, Satoshi vanished. Nearly 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at over $250 million, were moved by an unidentified Ethereum address from a leading cryptocurrency exchange to a self-custody wallet, according to on-chain data released by the crypto analytics company Sandiment. The Shib tokens were transferred to a new wallet from an Ethereum address that Etherscan identified as being associated with the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. We'll discuss about Satoshi leaving the final warning and disappearing in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. The transfer was done in 6 separate transactions, and since March 1st, the whale has been quickly accumulating ETH. As of right now, it has 992 ETH, in addition to its already 25 trillion SHIB. The Daily Hold claims that after the significant transfer to cold storage, it is now the 3rd largest Shiba Inu wallet globally and the largest one that isn't known to be owned by an exchange. The biggest transaction that Whale Alert has data on was the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens for about $45 million to an anonymous wallet. It is unclear whether another whale is transferring its tokens or if Crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a new wallet, is making the transactions. The Shiba Inu burn monitoring site, SHIB Burn, had an extraordinary jump in its burn rate in only 24 hours between Monday and Tuesday. The dog-inspired token burned 453 million coins, an astounding 17% increase. Sending Shiba Inu tokens to an address devoid of a retrievable private key is known as burning them, rendering them useless and taking them out of circulation for good. By lowering the overall quantity and circulation, this is often done to assist reduce inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. Burning tokens is an effort spearheaded by the community to raise the value of Shiba Inu, the 2nd largest meme coin in the world. It's also said to be in homage to certain Asian cultures' custom of burning paper money as an offering to ancestors. Concurrently, the beta introduction of Shibarium, the ecosystem's Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum, has the Shiba Inu community buzzing. The Shiba Inu community is expanding as they look for new opportunities to flourish. The beta version of Shib was made available last week, giving beta testers a peek into the testnet. Still in beta testing is Shibarium, the much-awaited Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum. Shidoshi Kazama, a pseudonymous SHIB developer, said that while the crew works on improving the systems and looking for issues, that can stay the case for 2 or 4 months. The Shiba Inu community is experiencing a renewed sense of excitement and interest as a result of these advances. The community's ongoing interest in and increasing significance in the cryptocurrency space is shown by the introduction of Shibarium and the most recent transfer of SHIB tokens. It will be fascinating to see how these events affect Shiba Inu's adoption and future. According to WhaleStat, a well-known blockchain data monitoring tool, 2 well-known ETH investors have amassed an enormous $1,022,047,313,193 SHIB from 2 different transactions in the last day and a half. According to WhaleStats, the 232nd largest Ethereum whale, Vote, completed the first transaction, adding an impressive $899,999,734,985 SHIB, valued at $9,611,997 in a single transaction. Not too long ago, Blue Whale 73, the 254th largest Ethereum whale, completed a trade to purchase $122,470,578,208 SHIB, valued at $1,286,381. Following Crypto.com's standard custody procedure, which included moving 24 trillion, 939 billion, 482 million, 510,000 $233 SHIB, value $269,595,805 to a new address in order to preserve the confidentiality and safety of exchange wallets. There has been a notable buildup of whales. Whale's substantial accumulation in a market where Bitcoin is now trading over $28,000 indicates that a big price gain for SHIB is imminent, since the market is currently short-term bullish, with BTC leading. When BTC stops pumping and consolidates at a certain price range, the altcoins can begin pumping as well. With the release of Shibarium public beta, there is an increasing demand for Shiba Inu, which is causing the burn rate to rise significantly. According to CryptoBasic, in only the last week, the Shiba Inu community has destroyed a total of 2,072,114,690 SHIB via 290 distinct transactions. Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shutoshi Kazama, recently alluded to a groundbreaking development amid the ongoing developments, speaking about a meeting between Ted Shilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Jastrow, the Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor, at the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas. Kazama has categorized everyone in the community as belonging to the Shiba Inu defensive breed in order to counteract the rising false information campaign against the project. SHIB's indicators suggest that a rally may be on the horizon, since its 30-day moving average and relative strength index are both in depressed levels as a result of a positive correction. For example, the currency was oversold when its RSI fell as low as 30 earlier in the month. Now that the indicator is gradually climbing toward 50, a rebound may not take long. In a similar vein, SHIB's 30-day has been declining for a few days, getting closer to the eventual rebound rally. Since SHIB hasn't experienced the large gains experienced by BTC, ETH, and other major currencies over the previous week, it is absolutely possible that it may surge strongly soon. Furthermore, there are some solid grounds for accepting this supposition. Shibarium is by far the most apparent, with the beta release of Shiba Inu's layer 2 network. The network became operational on March 11th, and the full public launch is probably going to happen over the next 3 months. When Shibarium is fully operational, users will be able to utilize Shiba Inu and the other applications in its ecosystem for a lot less money, and transaction times will both speed up and scale up. Therefore, it's anticipated to raise demand for Shiba Inus, while also increasing acceptance and use of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Undoubtedly, there were problems with its beta debut. According to some observers, it had stolen its chain ID from Rinia, a future blockchain that is still in the testnet stage. The claims were promptly met with a response from Shibarium developers. Carl Diarrhea stated that no duplication was intended and that chain IDs were chosen at random for Shibarium's beta network. Diarrhea further dispelled any rumors that Layer 2's team is just emulating other networks by stating that his team will be relaunching a new Shibarium beta network with a unique chain ID. Even with this refutation, SHIB's price hasn't increased much from its decline once the aforementioned charges surfaced, and it continues to lag behind several other significant tokens. In spite of this, SHIB has risen in the market capitalization rankings this month, having dropped from 15th place earlier in December to 14th place around a week ago. This demonstrates its consistent expansion, which might continue once Shib the Metaverse launches. Although there isn't a set debut date for this virtual environment, with a Shiba Inu theme, it's generally anticipated to happen before the year is over. A few updates, including early video of one of the unique sections of the metaverse, have been provided by its crew lately. Developers claim that the realm of Shib, the metaverse, will include 100,595 buyable territories that may be unlocked gradually. This comprises the 36,431 acres that will be made public during the launch phase, 32,124 of which will be sold. These will be divided into many districts according to a certain graphical style and taste. The metaverse presents itself as a unified future for gaming, entertainment, and commerce. With this platform's methodology, it is reasonable to predict that SHIB will see some significant price increases as the year goes on. Even though it's now just at $0.108, it may potentially produce returns in the next months to $0.15 and $0.02. Actually, a lot of people are waiting for even greater returns. Some are even hoping for $0 or higher. Although this is quite ambitious, there's no question that SHIB will eventually see some enviable returns if all of Shiba Inu's scheduled releases go as planned. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.